Hey guys, it has been such a long time since I've uploaded on here, uploaded a process video or a scrapbooking video. So sorry. I don't really know what happened. I was like on a really good streak for a little bit and then I just kind of stopped. Anyway, it's 2021, new year, new goals. I'm back. I have a process video for you guys today. And yeah, let's get into it. It would be a 12 by 12. Yeah, so this is a 12 by 12 page. Essentially, it's two 6 by 12s together. But it's just going to be a two-page spread, which I don't usually do. The only times I ever really do those anymore is when I do have two 6 by 12 pages, which is essentially just one 12 by 12. So yeah, this page is from my 2019 album, which I have started as if I finished my 2018 album, which I didn't. So I'm working on both of those at the same time. This is from the summertime, I think June 2019. Me and my friends rented a boat at a lake, and it was just like one of those pontoon boat things, and it was nice. We just hung out on the water all day and had some fun quality time in the summertime. My favorite time of year. Right now, it like legitimately snowed 2 feet yesterday, and I have to go out and shovel the snow later, and I'm really not looking forward to it. So I decided to do a very summery page today to remind myself that the world is not made of ice all the time. So I'm just picking my cards right now. As you can see, the pictures are very blue, green. Those are the colors I'm trying to really pull from those. I didn't want it to be too green. I didn't want it to be too blue. I really kept going back and forth on what my color scheme for this was going to be. I wanted to bring some more neutral colors into it. I tested out that Glow Like the Sun card. I didn't love it. I went back to this. I think they're like little sketchy looking plus signs on that like seafoam green background. So I thought that the plus signs would bring in the green from that Seize the Day card. And then I found this pattern paper from 6x6 paper pad. I'm just trying to see what it's called. Here and There by Crate Paper. Love Crate Paper. Just to bring in some black and white, because I just can't get enough of like my neutrals, my black and white, my browns, my wood grain. So I needed to throw some of that on there, and just to neutralize it a little bit. I didn't want it to be too colorful because I don't love color. So now I'm just going through some new embellishments that I just got. I did a little haul on Instagram and TikTok, which, by the way, I'm on TikTok now apparently. I've been doing like mini process videos over there, so I will link that down below if any of you are on TikTok. I post there pretty frequently, I guess, just because it's easier to put together those videos than it is to do these longer videos with the voiceovers and stuff. But I'm still going to be doing these. I like doing both, so it's a nice change. I think that's what kind of kick-started me back into making stuff. Sometimes you just need to try something new, so that's what I'm doing now. Anyway, I tried to find a journaling spot for this page because none of the cards really had one built into it. They weren't really journaling cards. I remembered that I had this stamp set from Kelly Perky from a few years ago, back when I was on her design team, and it just has a bunch of really cute journaling spots that you can stamp and do yourself. So that's what I'm doing here. I wanted to find like a black like label tag or something, just to bring some of the black from that other pattern card over to the other side. I'm not in love with it, but it works. So that's all that matters. So I'm just gonna cut this up. You're gonna see my amazing cutting skills in just a minute. I really get tripped up by those curves. So yeah, look at that. Wow, the technique. So good. It's not good, it's terrible. I fix it eventually, I think. But yeah, I just think it's really funny that for a crafty person, I feel like I'm very bad at these really technical skills like cutting paper or having good handwriting. But whatever, to each his own. We all have different strengths. So now I'm just going to do some journaling. I thought about using my typewriter for this, but I obviously did not end up doing that. I just wanted to do a quick little blurb. The pen I'm using is a Muji pen. I think it is the 0.5 size. Oh my goodness, I'm so upset because apparently the Muji near me closed. So I don't really know where I'm going to get any of my pens now. I don't know, I had no idea. It just kind of closed out of nowhere during the pandemic, so that sucks. So gotta find a new way to get my pens. So that I've glued onto there. Looks great, nice and centered, super simple. You know, just keep it clean. I'm gonna go in with these. I think these are Heidi Swapp. I think it's a Heidi Swapp sticker pad. And there's a whole section that has really cute word strips, which you know me, I love my word strips. And there were lots of really nice colors. Contemplated whether this was too much green. Clearly stuck with it because, I don't know, I thought it was really pretty, and the green color is really calming and reminds me of summertime. So at this point I was just kind of embracing it, and that's okay. And now I'm going in with these letter stickers from Kelly Perky that I feel like I pretty much use on every page, every video. They're my favorite. I have stacks and stacks of them from when I was on her design team. I would normally hoard them for like anything else, but because I have so many, I just use them constantly. I think she sells something similar on her new shop now. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure she does. If not, I'll be very sad, and I apologize for lying to you all. But yeah, so I'm just going in with these white stickers, just with the name of the lake we were at. I think it was called Greenwood Lake in New York. It was really funny because we went to this lake for the day, and then like a couple of weeks later, an article came out saying that there was like some kind of weird bacteria in the water they discovered, and we're just like, cool, great. But we were fine, everyone's fine. The video cut off, I think, from where I was putting down all those letters, which is fine because I feel like that's one of the most boring parts of these process videos. So I always speed through them anyway. Like, you know, you get the idea. I was picking the letters for that title. No big deal. Anyway, moving on. So now I'm just using this washi tape. I think it's from Studio Calico from a couple years ago. It has like it's kind of craft colored and just has like some white hearts on it. So I thought that was cute, just to bring some more neutral tones to the page. I'm also using this cork asterisk, also Studio Calico, pretty sure. Just to bring some texture to the page as well. I just do that on that bottom right hand photo. And now I am going to be rummaging through some more. I have like a whole container just for like enamel dot type things. I usually finish my pages off with the enamel dots just to bring color into places where there needs to be color. I really wanted to find like a rusty red kind of maroon color. Because my sunglasses are like kind of brownish red, people have reddish swimsuits. I just wanted to bring some other color into the page, but apparently I'm severely lacking in that color in terms of embellishments. So I went through my puffy sticker container and found a couple things that I could use there. So I reached out to you guys on Instagram a couple of days ago, just asking you guys what like your ideal video length is, and if you had any other video ideas or things you'd like to see on this channel. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think. A lot of people said that their ideal video length was between like 10 and 20 minutes. This just makes that mark. And then you guys had some really good video ideas. A lot of you guys wanted to see storage, basic videos, like scrapbooking basics, stuff like that. And then like what's the other one? Wanted me to bring back like monthly favorites. Oh, I can't speak. So I'm really looking into doing that stuff. I really want to put more diverse stuff on here in terms of like crafting videos and scrapbooking stuff. I feel like a process video every week could get a little redundant. So I'm trying to branch out and do some different things for you guys, which I'm excited about. now I'm just finishing up the page with my lovely tiny attacher, as I always do. And then just snipping off some excess cork there. Oh, I don't think I showed this part. That might have gotten cut off too. I added some tags, basically, and then my tiny attacher ran out of staples. It's all good. And detail shots will be here in just a second. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about anything I showed you guys in this video. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. My username is julimakesthings. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.